Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Edlin Mehes Napili. I am from Barangay 59, Poro, Legazpi City. I am happy single parent. I have one son, ages 21 years old, and two daughters, ages 22 years old and 1 year and 5 months. My hobbies is cooking, baking. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 5 years. I serve one couple, one children, ages 7 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning the house, taking good care of their children, washing dishes, ironing, and washing clothes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to fulfill the dreams I have for my family. And I'm willing to take good care of newborn babies, toddler, children, and elderly. I can also sing a nursery rhyme. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. I promise to do my duties and responsibility with all due my ability, honesty. I assure you that I will treat your family as my own family. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible, Sir, Madam.